Hi everyone, it's Shreya from HealthSpan. Today, I'm here to talk with you all about the intricacies of our metabolism. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, manage your weight, or simply gain a deeper understanding of your body's internal workings, this discussion is tailored to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. One way to understand the intricate nature of our body's metabolism is to view our bodies like a car, and to view metabolism like our engine. Our metabolic engine is responsible for turning food into energy efficiently. Think of a high-quality car, such as a Tesla, known for its efficiency and power. Just as Tesla's engines allow them to run smoothly and efficiently, a well-working metabolic engine in our bodies is key for our health. But sometimes, due to a variety of factors, our metabolic engine can become slow and ineffective, similar to an old car with a rusted engine. Just as an old car may have difficulty getting up a hill, a defective metabolic engine in our bodies can prevent us from living our lives to the fullest extent, and can even lead to a variety of health issues. We'll be coming back to this metabolic engine analogy throughout our discussion, but let's first get a little background on what metabolism is. Metabolism is a process where our body's cellular mechanisms convert carbohydrates and fats from our food, along with oxygen from the air, into energy. This energy is vital for powering every process in the human body. But metabolism doesn't just stop at energy production. It also involves the generation of waste products, including free radicals. Our bodies are like a well-oiled machine that not only produce the desired output, but also have byproducts that need to be managed. Effective regulation of this process is crucial for metabolism to function properly. The term metabolic health refers to the efficiency of energy production and processing in our cells as mitochondria. Ideally, we want our metabolism to operate smoothly and efficiently, similar to a high-performance electric car like a Tesla, climbing a hill without producing any exhaust. As we age, factors like unhealthy lifestyles, poor diets, nutritional deficiencies, toxin buildup, and aging itself can impair our metabolic efficiency. This leads to a state known as metabolic dysfunction. When our bodies are metabolically unhealthy or dysfunctional, they are unable to efficiently use and produce energy, and they are poor at processing and removing waste from the body. This dysfunction can result in chronic inflammation, a primary cause of numerous modern diseases. There are several signs of metabolic dysfunction, including excess visceral fat, diminished muscle mass, insulin resistance, fatty liver disease, kidney dysfunction, and elevated glucose, lipids, and blood pressure. Alarmingly, over 90% of the American population exhibits at least one sign of metabolic dysfunction, a strikingly high percentage compared to historical norms. This rise in metabolic dysfunction is intrinsically linked to an array of chronic diseases. Conditions such as cancer, heart and vascular diseases, immune disorders, cognitive impairments, type 2 diabetes, infertility, and accelerated aging can often trace their roots back to metabolic issues. Additionally, the repercussions of poor metabolic health extend into everyday life, impacting not only severe health conditions, but also essential aspects of daily living. Brain function, energy levels, memory, mood, skin health, and fertility are all adversely affected by a dysfunctional metabolic engine. Taking a proactive approach is essential in identifying metabolic dysfunction early on. Too often, our healthcare system tends to act only after a disease has developed. By focusing on early detection and prevention, we can address metabolic issues before they escalate into more serious health problems. One strategy recommended by HealthSpan advising physicians is regular lab work and analysis. To check metabolic health, we can look at different biomarkers. These biomarkers serve as key indicators of how well our metabolism is working. Understanding these markers is crucial because they can help pinpoint where things might be going wrong. By knowing these specific areas, we can create targeted plans to fix them. Now, improving metabolic health is not a quick or easy fix. It involves a well-rounded approach. Here are some recommendations from our physicians. Visceral fat is the fat that accumulates around your internal organs, especially in the abdominal area. It's associated with increased risks of metabolic disorders, heart disease, and diabetes. Reducing visceral fat through diet changes and regular exercise can greatly improve metabolic health. Gaining muscle is the process of increasing muscle mass, which in turn raises your basal metabolic rate. This means you burn even more calories when resting. Strength training exercises are particularly effective in building muscle, which also enhances insulin sensitivity. Proper breathing refers to techniques that improve oxygen intake and utilization in the body, leading to better energy levels and overall well-being. Practices like deep diaphragmatic breathing, common in yoga and meditation, are incredibly beneficial here. Stress management is also crucial for metabolic health, as chronic stress can lead to weight gain and a higher risk of chronic diseases. Now, techniques for managing stress include mindfulness, yoga, and engaging in relaxing activities. Now, quality sleep is also essential for hormonal balance and overall body function. It is particularly important for the hormones that regulate appetite and stress. So a good sleep hygiene and consistent sleep schedule are key to achieving quality sleep. The ancestral diet focuses on eating whole, unprocessed foods, similar to what our early ancestors ate. This diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean meats, nuts, and seeds, and low in processed foods and sugars, supports a balanced metabolism and improves overall health. Regular movement entails combining aerobic, like walking or cycling, with anaerobic activities, such as weightlifting or sprinting. This varied exercise routine enhances cardiovascular health. It increases muscle strength, and it boosts metabolism. Red light therapy involves exposure to red and near-infrared light. It's thought to aid in muscle recovery, reduce inflammation, and support skin health, which indirectly benefits metabolic health. Now, toxin reduction means actively decreasing exposure to harmful substances like alcohol, certain medications, electromagnetic fields, and chemicals. This reduces the strain on our detoxification organs, which ultimately also supports our metabolic health. Hypoxia, or CO2 training, is a practice of adapting to lower oxygen levels through controlled breathing techniques. It improves the body's efficiency in using oxygen, potentially enhancing metabolic functions and our athletic performance. Hormesis is the concept of exposing the body to short-term stressors like fasting, cold exposure, and high-intensity interval training. These stressors can strengthen our body's adaptive responses. And when we do that, we potentially improve our metabolic health and our resilience. Now, we also have supplements and protocols such as rapamycin, innate carbose, and others that are being explored for their potential benefits in glucose management and influencing the aging process. Now, consulting with a healthcare provider is essential before starting any medication or supplement regimen. Understanding the intricacies of our body's metabolism and recognizing signs of dysfunction enables us to proactively maintain a smooth-running metabolic engine. The strategies that we've outlined, which range from reducing visceral fat and adopting an ancestral diet to engaging in varied physical activities, managing stress, and ensuring quality sleep, collectively form a comprehensive maintenance plan for our metabolic health. For more information about metabolic health and longevity, visit our website at gethealthspan.com/science. Once again, this is Shreya signing off. See you all next time.